Hey guys, we're going to be doing an unboxing for the game Bonanza Bros, the one that I was waiting for soon. I actually ordered it before yesterday when I made the video saying I was going to get it, but the game console didn't come today, so we're just going to unbox the game today. And when the console comes, not sure if I'm going to unbox that or not, but I'm definitely going to do the game. And this is absolutely going to be a review also. So this is the Bonanza Bros game cartridge, or cartridge, whatever you call it, and it comes in a bag like this. It's pretty fine art right there. Honestly, their faces are funny in that picture. And then we got nothing else, which is pretty bad. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. And honestly, it's heavier than I thought. And on top it says Bonanza Brothers because that's the name of the game. And I only got the cartridge, okay? I didn't get the label or the instructions because I want to save some money for other important things. So please subscribe to the channel for more content.